Hello, and thank you for taking the time and joining me for this video. My name is Carl Carpenter, and I'm the CEO of Arrakis Consulting. Arrakis Consulting is a certified service-disabled, veteran-owned small business and is a full-service cybersecurity company with decades of experience and helps companies get regulatory compliant. Arrakis Consulting also has a 100% track record of success in making that happen. Arrakis Consulting also offers a variety of managed services that are designed to help you get compliant faster, reduce risk, and reduce internal effort. These services range from the very basic to more complicated that would normally give companies a significant challenge to tackle or afford. For the consultative services we offer, we can act as trusted advisors to help you get compliant with security or privacy frameworks, or just to simply provide advice based on whatever unique situation you may be challenged with. The personnel that represent Arrakis Consulting are highly certified and experienced, and most have at least 25 years of experience, as well as hold multiple certifications. We cover all security and privacy frameworks. Some very popular frameworks that are requested often are ISO 27001, SOC 2, GDPR, CCPA, CMMC, and new artificial intelligence frameworks. That doesn't mean we can't help with other frameworks, though. Artificial intelligence is also a very hot topic, and Arrakis can help integrate AI into your business operations, as well as help you protect your business from possible GDPR or other privacy violations as a part of using AI. From the standpoint of CMMC, Arrakis Consulting is a certified RPO and has several certified RPs on staff. Arrakis is not a C3PAO, but is associated with many. Additionally, most of our RPs have a prior military background of some sort and have held or still hold U.S. government security clearances. As it relates to privacy, Arrakis Consulting has several persons that hold appropriate certifications to help manage HIPAA, GDPR, CCPA, and other privacy-related regulations. This also includes outsourcing various roles such as the Data Protection Officer to Arrakis if the need arises. Arrakis Consulting can also offer the use of highly specialized, experienced, and certified personnel to fill virtual roles within your company. This includes internal audit, virtual chief information security officer, virtual chief information officer, virtual data protection officer, virtual chief privacy officer, and others. You just need to reach out with what you are missing, and we can help fill that gap and reduce your risk. You should also know that some regulatory environments require specific positions and titles to be held, and must be held by experienced and certified persons. It is no longer acceptable to appoint someone to a security or privacy role simply because they have an interest in technology. Arrakis Consulting is also capable of training your personnel to meet specific roles or to enhance their skill set and potential. Arrakis Consulting is also an accredited training partner of PECB and offers numerous accredited courses. Each accredited PECB course comes with training material and 2 test vouchers. It's important to note that currently Arrakis Consulting has a 100% pass rate with our accredited courses. There are no guarantees, but the odds are very high in your favor. For non-accredited training, Arrakis Consulting can train your personnel in a variety of different areas from network engineering, penetration testing, security architecture, security management, auditing, and other numerous subject areas that could lead to your personnel desiring to take other certification tests offered by CompTIA, ISACA, IEC Squared, and other certifying bodies. We think it's important to inform you that with Arrakis Consulting, we eat our own dog food. We don't preach it, we live it. The consultation services we provide are the same that we use internally. The managed services we offer are the same that we use. We also use artificial intelligence to help support our operations and reduce time and effort. The training that we go through is the same training we offer to you. We don't experiment in your environment with new things. We bring to the table technology and concepts that we have already proven to work using our consistent and reliable methodology. We are also a lean business that can help you reduce the internal bloating and reduce cost. If we can't reduce cost, then there is a high probability we can help you understand how to shift funds around to get a better stretch on the dollar. In almost all companies we have worked with, we have run across shelfware, or situations where more than one piece of technology performed the same function. That only increases cost to the company and increases difficulty in budget forecasting. Please reach out to us for more information on what we have gone over, or if you have a unique need that we didn't mention in this video. I'd also encourage you to watch our other videos that discuss regulatory environments, laws, or specific threats that might endanger your company. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can email us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com, as well as find us on LinkedIn, or you can access our website at arrakisconsulting.com. We are here to help you succeed, as your success equals our success. Together, we can help bring your company into a more compliant environment.